Bob and Elvis are leaving cockpit. Good luck.
Here we go.
Jim Bob, hazmat testi.
Three minutes from impact, Jim, Bob, and Scott are the last passengers to ever disembark from Big Flow.
Jumpers away, jumpers away. Jumpers away, jumpers away, jumpers away. Two good canopies, over. Miles, 2,000 feet. I have both jumpers on the ground and okay, appears to be okay, over.
All right, man, it's all on me and you. Hang in there, baby.
No worries. Just getting a little bit of a verbal.
I hear you.
4 miles to impact point.
4 miles, on and on. Victor.
1,200 at 3. Getting a little bit high.
This is the critical moment right now. This is where he's trying to hit the target so that he's making the final adjustments right at this point.
Wow.
2 miles, 2 miles.
800, coming to idle.
Roger.
Here it comes.
1 mile, 400.
Idle, idle. Big flow away. Adios.
Adios, Big Flow. Adios.
Plane Crash, part of the Curiosity series, Sunday, October 7th at 9, following an all-new Mythbusters, only on Discovery.